This Ninja BN801 Professional Plus kitchen system represents a significant upgrade from its predecessors, offering a blend of power, versatility, and convenience that caters to a variety of kitchen needs. This kitchen system is designed to handle everything from smoothies and frouncesen drinks to food processing and dough mixing, making it a must-have for anyone who values efficiency and functionality in the kitchen. In this detailed review, we will explore the features, performance, and overall value of the Ninja BN801 to help you decide if it's the right addition to your kitchen. At the core of the Ninja BN801 is its 1400 peak watts of professional power, which ensures exceptional performance across all functions. This robust motor delivers the power needed to handle tough ingredients and perform heavy-duty tasks with ease. Whether you're blending frouncesen fruits, chopping vegetables, or mixing dough, the Ninja BN801's powerful motor is up to the challenge. The blender features Ninja Total Crushing Blades and a Pro Extractor Blades assembly, which work together to provide perfectly crushed ice and smooth blends. The Total Crushing Blades are designed to pulverize ice and frouncesen ingredients effortlessly, making them ideal for creating smoothies and frouncesen drinks. Meanwhile, the Pro Extractor Blades ensure that you get a nutrient-rich extraction from fruits and vegetables, maximizing the health benefits of your beverages. One of the standout features of the Ninja BN801 is its 5 versatile functions powered by Auto IQ technology. This technology takes the guesswork out of blending and processing by providing preset programs that handle specific tasks with precision. Here's a closer look at what each function offers. 1. Smoothies. Create delicious and creamy smoothies with ease. The powerful blades and motor ensure that all ingredients are blended to perfection. 2. Frouncesen drinks. Make frouncesen drinks, such as margaritas or daiquiris, with the same efficiency as you would for smoothies. 3. Nutrient extraction. Extract nutrients from fruits and vegetables to make nutrient-rich drinks that are packed with vitamins and minerals. 4. Chopped mixtures. Achieve evenly chopped ingredients for salsas, dips, and other recipes that require precise chopping. 5. Dough. Mix up to 2 pounds of dough in as little as 30 seconds. The powerful dough mixer ensures that ingredients are folded in quickly and evenly, making it perfect for baking enthusiasts. Each of these functions is activated with a simple touch of a button, thanks to the Auto IQ technology, which combines unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns to deliver optimal results. The Ninja BN801 excels in capacity, making it a great choice for families or anyone who likes to prepare large batches of food. The 72 ounces total crushing pitcher is ideal for making large quantities of smoothies, frouncesen drinks, and other blended creations. With a maximum liquid capacity of 64 ounces, it's perfect for serving the whole family or entertaining guests. For single-serve convenience, the BN801 comes with two 24 ounces single-serve cups equipped with spout lids. These cups make it easy to take your nutrient-rich smoothies on the go, whether you're heading to work, gym, or running errands. In addition to its blending capabilities, the Ninja BN801 also functions as a powerful food processor. The 8-cup precision processor bowl is designed for precise chopping and smooth pureeing. Whether you're preparing vegetables for a salad or making a smooth puree for soups and sauces, Precision Processor Bowl handles the task with accuracy. The included chopping blade and dough blade are specifically designed for different processing tasks. The chopping blade ensures even chopping, while the dough blade provides the necessary torque to mix dough efficiently. Together, these blades enhance the overall versatility of the BN801. The Ninja BN801 is designed with user convenience in mind. The intuitive controls and preset programs make it easy to operate, even for those who are new to blending and food processing. The Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of cooking, allowing you to focus on other tasks while the system handles the work. Cleaning the BN801 is straightforward, thanks to its dishwasher-safe components. The 72 ounces total crushing pitcher, 8-cup precision processor bowl, and the single-serve cups are all dishwasher-safe, making post-use cleanup a breeze. Simply remove the blades and place the containers on the top rack of your dishwasher for hassle-free cleaning. These components ensure that you have everything you need to tackle a wide range of recipes and food preparation tasks. Conclusion: is the Ninja BN801 right for you? The Ninja BN801 Professional Plus Kitchen System is a versatile and powerful appliance that offers a range of functions to suit various culinary needs. With its 1400-watt motor, 5 preset auto IQ programs, and comprehensive set of accessories, it stands out as a top choice for those seeking a high-performance kitchen tool. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, health-conscious individual, or someone who loves experimenting with recipes, the BN801 provides the power and versatility you need. Its combination of blending, food processing, and dough mixing capabilities, along with its user-friendly design, makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen. If you're ready to enhance your culinary experience with a top-of-the-line kitchen system, the Ninja BN801 is definitely worth considering. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make the Ninja BN801 your next kitchen upgrade. If you enjoyed this review? Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.